Today, we are playing through some alternate rules for Pizza Parlor. If you haven't yet checked out our other Pizza Parlor videos, their links are in the description below. First up is the simplified version. When you roll the operation die, you only want addition and subtraction, so if you roll multiplication, treat it as addition. If you roll division, treat it as subtraction. You won't need the white die, as that's only for using with multiplication and division. When you roll the fraction die, treat the 1/16 and the 1/12 as wild. The player can add whatever slice works best for them. Next, remove 1/16 and 1/12 pieces from the box and place them aside. You won't be using them. This limits you to 4 players. Then, play continues as normal, starting with rolling the orange fraction die to determine what piece each player starts with. After that, roll the operation die and the orange fraction die to determine what piece you will add or subtract from your pizza. Next up is the cooperative rules. For these rules, decide how many pans you want to fill as a group. To help avoid competition, I recommend a different number, either more or less, than you have players to avoid pan favoritism. Everyone works together to decide what should be done with each roll, though the roller has veto power. Slices can be moved around as players deem fitting. During Lunch Rush, every player acts on every roll. During this playthrough, only 3 of us played, so we also chose to each get 2 pizza pans to fill. But fear not, we didn't all just end at the same time, as everyone makes different choices as to which pieces to multiply or divide. You may not be able to get a quarter-sized piece, because there are no more, so you get 2/8 pieces instead, meaning that the next multiplication or division roll won't be working with a quarter, but with just 1/8. Working with multiple pans also helped to mix things up. As you can see, each of our pizzas look very different. Finally, we wanted to try an advanced fractions game. During this game, every time we multiplied or divided, we did so by our entire pizza, not just one slice. When Mom played tested this earlier, she was able to win with just 8 turns. This time, Dad got way too much pizza, and we finally called it good. We had lots of laughs and a lot of good practice with fractions. Thanks for watching.